In Kathmandu, a nurse named Asha survived the 2015 earthquake that toppled buildings and left streets unrecognizable. As she sheltered under a doorway with patients, she learned the hard way to drop, cover, and stay put until the shaking stopped. The days that followed showed her the value of a personal disaster kit, clear exits, and practiced evacuation routes. Her perspective shifted from daily routines to community resilience, sharing water, medical care, and shelter with neighbors. Viewers will learn how to build a simple emergency plan, check fixes for homes, and stay mentally prepared for aftershocks.